Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Shraddha and in today's video I'll be talking a little bit about burnt umber from Camel Artist Oil Color. So let's get started and talk about it. So as you can see, the burnt umber is a shade of brown. It's a warm color and it belongs to series 1. So Camel has divided its color in from series 1 to series 4. And series 1 being the cheapest of all, and the series 4 colors are quite expensive. So this one costs 385 rupees right now, and as you can see they have assigned a number 206 on their tube, but there is no pigment information. Yeah, as you can see there is no other information regarding the pigment and stuff. So I tried checking that on their website, but that is not mentioned on their website also. I tried writing an email to them, but I did not get a response till now. But in case if I am getting any reply from them, I will update in the description below. So it is from A describes how light fast it is. So it is very light fast, A being the highest light fast color. What light fast means is that when you keep the painting outside in light, not in direct sunlight but in outside light, so the color stays permanent. It will not lose its intensity. Or also I need to check it myself as well, but that is going to take a long time, but I will surely be checking it myself as well. And this box, this shows that the color is opaque. I'll just show you opening the tube. Yeah, so you can see it is a warm color. Let me do a few swatches and I'll show you how it looks like. So when the paint comes out of the tube, it is quite thick, as you can see. See here how thick the paint is. It's quite thick. I'll do a few color swatches on my canvas here. Now since it is very thick, you can mix it with linseed oil and thin it out. So I'm gonna mix a little bit of linseed oil into the paint and show you how it looks like. Here, this is how the color looks like. It's quite dark. I'll mix a little bit of linseed oil. Now you can see it has become somewhat like watercolor. And that is the speciality of oil paints. You can also use them like watercolors initially while you are laying out the painting on location, or whatever you are painting, you can just use them like watercolors. So that's what is good about it. So that this is how it looks without the oil, and this is how when you mix a little bit of oil. Let's check the tinting strength of the color. So I'm going to mix my burnt umber with titanium white. Swatch it here. I've mixed a little bit of titanium white, as titanium white is really strong white. I'll just show you all. Now I'll mix a little more of the white and just make another swatch. So the tinting strength is quite good. So that means that this pigment can go a long way. Just one more swatch. Let us now try to make burnt umber with burnt sienna and ultramarine. So let's see if we could actually get the same color. Okay, so this is burnt sienna and I'm gonna mix it with ultramarine. Here is ultramarine. Excuse my brush. Okay, I'm gonna put it here and see. So it is almost the same. Yes, so you can make burnt umber. Now if you mix more of ultramarine, you'll get a darker shade. If you mix more ultramarine now, you get a bit darker shade. This is how it looks. You can create burnt umber from burnt sienna and ultramarine, but I buy a separate tube because I use a lot of burnt umber. I use this as a substitute for black. If you are one of those artists who do not directly use black color in their paintings, they can create a really dark color using burnt umber and ultramarine. I'll just show you how dark it can get. As you can see, it's really dark. So I'll just make a swatch over here. You can see it's very dark. It is looking very dark. It's just like black. So if you are not using black or from the tube, you can create black by using burnt umber and ultramarine. You can also create different shades of grey by mixing white to it. So now you can see it's bluish grey, so you can mix a little bit of burnt umber again. Yeah, now it's fine. It's looking like grey. So now see, you can use it as a grey, a very beautiful grey also. You can. So that is how I use it. I'll just show you guys a few paintings where I have used burnt umber and ultramarine. As in this painting, I'll show you in this painting here. I'll just zoom it out. Yeah, I hope you guys can see. I'm sorry about the lighting, it is cloudy outside. So as you can see in this painting, I have used burnt umber mixed with ultramarine to create these dark shades here and all, and that is how I go with it. That is all about burnt umber guys. So if you have any question regarding burnt umber or any of the other artist oil colors, please let me know in the comment section and I will try to answer your questions. Also guys, please subscribe to my channel as a support, and I'll bring more reviews about different colors. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.